guys, I hope you're doing great. So I am back after a long time in the hospital. I was admitted, but I'm back. So today I'm preparing indomie. Sina nguvu ya kupika vitu mob, sina nguvu ya kushinda kitchen nimesimama. So I'm just preparing indomie in a very simple way. Indomie na minced meat, then eggs. So we shall see what I'm doing. So let's do this. So first of all, I have fresh minced meat that nataka tuwe tunachemsha before indomie ziive, so that it will be easier kuzikaanga. Nataka kuzichemsha at least for 10 minutes are enough. Yes, thank you so much to my butcher man. Here's my minced meat. My hands are clean, so tutachemsha tu. So this is our minced meat, fresh minced meat. Si maji mob, kidogo tu. Hey gas wewe fujo. But it's okay. So let's leave it at that. And then pia, so hii ni maji ya gas ni mpi merefiliwa juu hizo sijui mbona zinatoa hizo masauti. So hii ni maji ya indomie water to boil, and then this is minced meat. Nataka iboil and then tuikaange baadaye. So let's wait. So now that our water is boiled, I'm going to add in our instant noodles. I want them so long. Don't use kuzifanya. And then our minced meat is boiling. So we give these ones just 3 minutes, and then we add bumbu sauce. Chemsha maji, weka indomie, ongezea bumbu sauce. Ni rahisi na haraka, bei yake ni nafuu. Indomie, furahia mlo tamu. Yum yum. So chemsha maji, weka indomie and then okay, chemsha maji, weka indomie and then ongezea bumbu sauce. We add our bumbu sauce, and this other part ni part ya chili. So sababu ya acid yangu, I'm not going to add hiyo. I cannot add chili. Nata nikiongeza ni kadogo sana kenye hata sitasikia, so hakuna haja. In the meantime, tungoje ziboil ziive. Our meat also is ready. And hapa nina katakata vitunguu. These ones are for the minced meat, and this one too is for the this one is for the indomie. And my indomie is ready after just 3-4 minutes. They are ready, so I don't want them to overcook. And then I'm just going to add hoho juu, but nikiwa nimezima moto. I love them crunchy. I like them crunchy, so nitaongezea tu zikiwa juu ziive na steam ya indomie. Then tuzifunikia as we start cooking our minced meat. Yes. So what I've done, nimetoa minced meat from the sufuria nikaziweka on a separate plate so that I cook using this same sufuria. So I add just a small amount of cooking oil. So as it's cooking, I add my onion. This is just a simple recipe. So I'm just spreading one Royco cube on the minced meat as our onions turn golden brown. Just a little bit more brownish, then we're in. So it's golden brown. They are turning golden brown. So I've also added a pinch of salt on my minced meat. If you have tomato paste or tomato, you can also add in, but sababu ya my acid, I'm not going to add any tomato. So you can add other spices, but I will not add them. So mimi na tungoje zichemke kidogo, and then we are good to go. So they are ready. We are ready to go. So it's time to serve our food. So I have decided badala ya kupika mayai, I had protein in the morning, so I decided to just garnish my indomie and just take a fruit and juice. So welcome to my lunch. Wow, you guys, isn't that sweet? We just added a little tomato sauce.